I am getting ready for church. It is Sunday morning. I am as tired as I look. Probably more tired actually, surprisingly. I did overnight braids in my hair last night, and so I just want to show you a quick bun you can do. It's great for Sunday morning because the braids do their job overnight, and then all you have to do is take them out and do a bun in the morning. I'm just lightly straightening my braids so that they keep their wave a little bit longer. I just get the front to look kind of the way I want it, and then I put it in a regular ponytail. I do a low ponytail for this one because I like when the bun looks really low on my neck. So as you can see, most of my wave is here closer to the end of my hair, so that's what I'm going to try to utilize for my bun. So since that wavy part was right down towards the end, I didn't pull the hair all the way through because this is straight and I don't want that to show. So I kind of did a pull through like this, and now I'm just going to take it and spread it out and cover the bun. Then I like to take a small hair elastic and put it over top of it, and it kind of holds it in place. And you really don't even need a hairpin as far as holding the bun in place, but I am going to use pins to hold, to fix all of these crazy hairs that are flopping. And that is how I get my bun to look curly. So I hope this is helpful. I hope you guys like it. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.